Greetings! My name is John Cedric Dumasian and I'm 20 years old and currently a Bachelor of Science in Civil Engineering student at Mapua University, Intramuros. I can speak in English, Filipino, and Kapampangan. If I had to describe myself in 3 words, it would be responsible, hardworking, and trustworthy. I am good at using Microsoft Office, and I'm also familiar with AutoCAD and MATLAB. I also attended a seminar on Transmit 2023 about transportation last September 2023 at Mapua University, Intramuros, and a workshop at Olivares College, Parañaque on career pathing last December 2022. COVID-19 facts and misconceptions last September 2021, and mental health last October 2021. My objective here is to seek a challenging position in what has been provided to me, where I may utilize my skills, abilities, plans, learning, and knowledge to assist your company in reaching its goals. I am willing to do my best and prepared to learn new things to be globally competitive. Feel free to connect with my number and Gmail. Thank you for taking the time to watch my video resume.